Welcome to this technical guide on the HP ProBook 640G9. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with some keys on your HP ProBook 640G9 not responding, you are not alone. This problem can occur due to several reasons, such as dirt or debris getting lodged beneath the keys, or the keyboard itself becoming faulty over time. If left unaddressed, it can severely hinder your productivity and even lead to further damage to the device. To perform this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and, of course, a replacement keyboard specifically designed for the HP ProBook 640G9. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Place the laptop on a flat surface and carefully turn it over. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. After removing the back panel, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is typically a flat ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the device. Gently disconnect this cable by lifting the locking mechanism on the connector. Next, you'll need to remove the faulty keyboard. There are screws located around the keyboard area. These may be hidden under rubber pads or directly visible. Carefully remove these screws and lift the keyboard from its housing. As you lift it, be cautious of any additional connectors that may still be attached. Once the keyboard is free, take your new keyboard and align it with the housing. Connect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely fastened. Replace any screws you removed previously to secure the keyboard in place. Now, before closing the back panel, double-check all connections and ensure that everything is correctly seated. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, aligning all clips, and press down gently to secure it. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is snug and secure. To verify that the keyboard functions correctly, power on your device and test each key. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your keyboard. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to keep your keyboard clean and free from debris. Regularly check for any signs of wear and tear, and consider using a keyboard cover if you often eat or drink near your laptop. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.